This is the new jet black 8-inch helical head jointer. The jet black performance coating offers enhanced visibility, lower friction, and minimal maintenance, meaning no waxing or polishing, keeping your workflow steady and you in the game every single time. Featuring 4 rows of 36 4-sided carbide inserts, this helical head cutter provides smooth and precise cuts. This 2-way tilting fence with positive stops at 45 and 90 degrees ensures accurate angled cuts. This built-in 4-inch dust port connects to your dust collection system for effective dust and chip disposal. This base-mounted on and off switch ensures easy and safe accessibility for all users. This height adjustment lever allows for quick and accurate precision modifications. This hand wheel with a folding handle for convenient height adjustments makes outfeed table adjustments easier than ever.